Okay, so Indian food. So AJ, try butter chicken. Say your name. What is your name first?
My name is AJ. And I am 9 years old.
And thank you for coming on my channel.
And thank you for coming on my channel.
Okay, try butter chicken. You like Indian food? You like Indian food?
I'll drop my chicken.
How is the butter chicken, Ajay? Can you try, AJ? Show your finger. Good. And how about Harsu? Okay. You like also?
Yep.
Okay, good. You eat your food, then I take a video only.
I need to wash my hands.
Okay.
So I'm done.
So this is Harsh plate. So Harsh, you try the chicken, butter chicken. You like it? What you done? What happened? Spicy?
Not spicy.
The chair also, the feet.
But my feet? No.
Chair, the chair.
The chair feet.
So what do you have? It's a chicken, butter chicken, lamb curry, chicken tikka and naan.
And cucumber and
Cucumber and salad.
Time to eat my food.
Okay, AJ, let's see.
I tried the lamb now.
You try the lamb.
I guess not. Ooh.
Oh yeah, big chunk. Is good?
Our music card.
Okay. Harsh, Ayush time. Ayush, eat the food. I will record it. And then you say, how is the food? How is the food? Show your finger. Good. Yeah. How about Harsh trying what? Butter chicken?
Now I'm gonna try the chicken tikka.
Okay, then I'm going to try chicken tikka.
Whoa.
So chicken tikka
How?
is hot.
I'm gonna try the cucumber. Wait,
Oh.
not cucumber. I'm gonna try the cucumber.
Is it good?
Thank you.
Delicious? And how about Harsh trying? Which one Harsh try now? What is Harsh going to try? Chili? Oh my. You can eat the chili. See how he's eating chili like a cucumber only.
I can't eat chicken. He did. Why are you laughing?
Run away.
Why are you laughing?
Run away. Time to drink water. Time to drink water. The chili challenge. How is the taste? How is the taste chili, AJ?
It
Harsu?
looks like a mushroom.
Look like. Is it okay? Is it spicy?
I have an hiccup.
Okay, try butter chicken now.
I didn't try.
Okay, so nicely enjoy the food. Say bye-bye.